Mangena ukhantama udriver ngihlele front seat kuye lapha yana. Athi kimi so kahle ubuze kubani la. Ngithi hana bengize kumalume. So ngikhipha ifoni lona angisayivali nehandbag like yahamba maybe 1 hour. Ngaze ngasho ukuthi no. Sesihambe kakhulu wayesengajiki because bese siku Dusty Road.
Okay.
Ansakhala sengiyabona ukuthi la something is wrong. Ngize sengithinta ngento ebandayo la like kusho ukuthi angazi ukuthi ukhiphe ngoba nomenzi. Ufihamba isandla so. Athi wena iphi imali khipha imali.
Oh.
Umuntu wahlwathinja wase wena ucanga ukuthi uyadlala la. Washiya ilona iside lakhe ngapha. Weza kimi. Kusho ukuthi bengizama ukuthi ngingavumi. Scratcha ngomenzi la. So ngabo namazi asenemaki. Ngabona ukuthi la kusho ukuthi uzogcina ngibulala. Bangilalisa ke kahle lona emasithini lapha. Then irebe yaqala kanjalo.
Askis, Tish. Askis, take your time, Askis. Sanibonani Dumelang everybody and welcome back to Soweto Podcast. Y'all know what it is. It's your girl Tamika Casa back again with another bang bang bang. And today, Haki want to get somebody else on omentle. Oh, na kira mona. Hey mama. Mara before we get tabing neto me riko khatsaganyana. Don't forget to become a member, like, share, subscribe and comment down below. I kira la tseba. Oh, ke utlile le re ke tshwana le bumathos. Happy na le sile guys. That one today ke change the hair is now marooning, is no longer bleaching. I get it guys. But thank you for the comments. Thank you guys so much for interacting with us. I appreciate y'all a lot and lots and lots. Please don't forget to show more love. Share, like, subscribe and a comment. I love y'all. Hey mama.
Hello, Anjani.
Hey, ngisabona. Ngicela usintroduce. Ubatshele ukuthi wena ubani, usuka kuphi, uze ngani, ngathi thuyile.
Fine, so right.
Singasabi di mama.
Yes.
Ngicela ubatshele ukuthi ubani, usuka kuphi, uze ngani.
Okay, Njani, igama lami nguGeli, ngisuka eCresta. Ngize nodaba lami lobuhlungu. Yeah. Ngasho kanjalo.
Ngasho kanjalo.
Yeah.
Okay, chemithini indaba yakho asingene kuyo. Ngathi sewuthukile Claro, inhliziyo eClaro sengene back to the
indaba le ebuhlungu. Asondaba emnandi.
Umutho ozwang uhusi kae huletse ngwana Jozi, ngwana Mahayeng.
No, mina ngathi nanje ngathi ngikhulele emakhayeni half. Ngakhulela township yana.
Okay. So khuluma umntana onjani so?
Obviously, as mawunga abantwana izibustoti ini and then as time goes on uyakhula and ubehave umuntu right. Yes, then
Okay.
And so, I'm a quiet person like yes ngithanda ama jokes. Yes.
That was my marriage.
Yeah.
Okay, manje istory sakho kwenzakaleni bekukuphi kanjani?
Istory leso bengiseCresta. I think end of 2019.
Okay.
End of 2019 it should be 21 December. Ke ngavuka ekseni bengisebenza lapho eDlusa nje not far. So ngavuka ekseni ngaprepare ngayo emsebenzini. Mangifika emsebenzini ngiyasebenza. Then after work I was busy emsebenzini salon. So azange ngithola isikhathi ukuthi ngibe busy efonini in. So ifone ngaze ngaba busy nayo ngoba past 6 mangifika endlini. Mangifika endlini ngithola message ubuya kubani umalume young brother kamama wami.
Okay.
Umalume uthi Geli ngiyagula. Like nje wanisukela kanjalo ngiyagula ngiyafa. Hayi vele ngihlale ngiyi1. Ngicela ukuthi usaloni ngindlela umntana lo uhlale eJozi. I think yibhoro ivela.
Okay.
Ngicela ukuthi ungigcinele umntana mina ngiyahamba whatever. Uyavalelisa.
Okay.
So ayizange ngiphathe kahle le ndaba like okay fine ngaphuma ngothenga airtime ukuthi ngifonele ngifuna understand ukuthi kahle mayevalelisa kanje kwenzakalani uphethwe yini mhlawumbe bamgwazile or bamenzele uyabo. So mangimfonela akaphendula ifone ubusy ngeWhatsApp uyavalelisa. Hayi ngayeka until 12 midnight ekhuluma into zokuvalelisa ayike ngalala mangifike ekseni kumele ngimsebenzini mangimfonela ifone isiyaringa akayibambi ifone iyaringa akayibambi ngiyasho ukuthi ay ebushonile because ngoba izolo bengivalelisa. Ngaphuma ngaye emsebenzini mangifika emsebenzini ngiyafika nje ngiyakhala bekubusy bekuyi20 bekuyi22.
Okay.
Yes, the next day so kuyi22 kubusy emasalon. Okay fine ngiyafika lapho ngiyakhala enye icustomer lami lithi Kelly kwenzakalani kanti why ukhalelana ngithi no like ngaphuma naye ngaphandle ngamchazela the whole story ukuthi umalume wami bevalelisa the whole night izolo so manje ngiyamfonela ifoni akayibambi so angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani and athi wena why ungathatha amabhegi wakho uphume manje uye because igazi lakho lelo ngithi no ubaba lo umnikazi wesalon kumele ukuthi ngimtshele and ngiyazi ukuthi ake understand because into eziningi vele besenziwa yimi esalon yabo namaklayenti amaningi afuna mina mangingekho abayenzi inwele right ngathatha amabheki ngikhala ngaphuma lo baba zengitshele lutho ngaphuma ngathatha ngayendlini ngafika ngathatha imali engange it was 3.8 because bengizitshela ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngizomtshela kanjani or else so kumele ukuthi ngimthwale ngimuse esibhedlela or into ezinjalo yabo so ngithatha imali ngiqeda lapho ngiyagibela ngiya Olivine hlale Olivine Olivine yakhona angiyazi bekuyi first time yami ukuthi ngiyindaweni yase Olivine so mangisendleleni lokhu ngibhizi ngiyamzama ngiyamtry ukuthi ngimfonele ukuthi ngimtshela ukuthi ngisendleleni ngicela ukuthi undirect ukuthi ngehle kanjani mangifona akabambi ifoni sahamba after maybe close to 1 hour seyaphendula manje ku WhatsApp yehle endaweni okuthiwa kuseplaza mawufika lapho kunama shop ku left side uzobona ukuthi uzokuchoose which spaza uzongilinda lapho ngizokulanda like ngizomlinda lapho yena umuntu ovalelisa uzokwazi ukusuka awalk azongilanda
phela uyagula
you know I was so confused yes I was like umalume okay fine yes itaxi yaqhubeka yahamba yafika endaweni yaseplaza ngasho plaza bangihlisa ngibone hayi plaza right opposite across the road ngiyabona ama shops nani ngiyalapha ya fika lapho nje ngidinga i-tuck shop because bekathe ngidinga i-tuck shop azongithola khona then angithathise endlini hayi ke ngayithola i-tuck shop nje wangithola ke ngiyambona uyaqhamuka uyeza like uyeza uyahamba like umalume engazodlala ngami mina ngishiya umsebenzi ngithi mhlambe umuntu useshonile or something umuntu uyakwazi ukuzihambela uyawalk uzongihlangabeza ukuthi you know what like okay fine mayifika ngiyambuza ukuthi hawu malume uyagula athi asambe ngizofika ngubonisa endlini ngiyagula okay siyawalka siyahamba ngimbhekile ulibele umuntu strong like akabonakala ukuthi uyagula like okay fine masifike endlini lapha uyasitha kancane umnyango hlala phezulu kwebed
utshela wena
yena
uyohlala
phezulu kwebed mayehlala phezulu kwebed okay fine ukhumula iskipa like ngifuna ukuthi ngiyenze because it's a long story wow uvule i-t-shirt ukuthi angibonise like into engayibonayo hey I don't know ukuthi ngayibiza ngithi yini lana sort of ama pimples amaningi like yabona amaqhawe amaningi
okay
amanye sezehoma amanye asasemasha uyabona ngithukile ngithi yini like okay siphi isibhedlela esingakuye kuso ukuthi uthole usizo kulento hayi mana mntanami uthathi okap manje thathi okap uyayivula uzenza ngeokap izinto leza like
uzimoya ngaye
okap okay fine isibhedlela sikuphi ukuthi ngihambise esibhedlela athi ngisasemusha kule ndawo ubeqeda ukufika vele yena egoli ngisasemusha kule ndawo ngizazi esibhedlela wathi ngithi okay fine iclinic okay ngiyazi okay ke ufuna ngithengela amaphilisi waphi because angisazi iclinic akayazi isibhedlela yabo right and ngiyambona ukuthi hayi futhi into le kuphela emphetheyo ayikho into serious but iyathusa because inoya ngeokap so ke kushuthi ngabo past sefuna ukuthi ngikhathi in short like it was past 5 or to 6 ufona young brother yakhe kushuthi umalume omncane athi khona ngizwile ukuthi ugeli ulapho so ngicela ukuthi angahambi ngakafiki and bengafuni ukulala lapho because i-one room and ebona ngamadoda so I was like no umalume kumele ukuthi asheshe sengisho yena lo mncane kumele asheshe because ngeke mina ngikwazi ukulala la kumele ukuthi ngibuyele back eCrest and so ngabe ubani 26 it's late and indawo le angiyazi right wafika ke late wahlala after that ayibayezi into zobezenza right fine it was around past 6 lapha ya but hayi ungalali because it's not safe ngithi hayi ngiyahamba bayangikhapha Malume ngamnikeza ngamshiyela imali yokuthi asale naye ezibona ukuthi uthenga ukudla namaphilisi lawa bethe ngithengele yona maybe wamphatha kahle yabona so ngimshiyela imali bangikhapha-ke ukuthi ngithole i-local ezongishiya ematekisini aya Cresta Randburg right so kusho ukuthi lapha yabe ngiphethe i-Clashback lapha kusho ukuthi bese ngiselele maybe 3 point something because kumalume ngizange ngispend a lot of money 3 point something maybe 3.2 yabona so I was like angifuni ukuthi ngikhiphe le mali even eTaxini or what so bengishiye maybe something about 30 rand ngayifaka ebeleni bengine handbag ne-Clashback bonke izinto ezi-right like uyazi 22 December ngithenge izinto zami ezinhle ezintsha nefoni tablet bisafika laphayana na right into ezinjalo so kusho ukuthi angizange ngikhuphe la from Clashback imali yokukhokha ngakhupha ebeleni nikeza udriver hey mina ukuthi kwenzakalani I don't know so manje ngimnikeza laphayana wanikeza i-change yami of it was 10 rand after that ngayibisela ebeleni uthi kimi udriver uyababona labantu abamile laphaya phuma manje ugijime bazohayika uzohamba nabo shesha ukuthi ungalahlekelwe labantu so mangiphuma la ngiyeza ukuthi no man ngathi la angisenamali ukuthi kanjani I don't know uthi kimi shesha cause sokumnyama phuma uyolanda labantu right mangiphuma lapha ngizitshela ukuthi maybe i-Clashback iphakathi kwe-handbag or something so mangiqeda ukuphuma iyahamba le avance yakhona shona ngase-Shoprite I was like so uma ngithi ngilanda labantu ngifake isandla ku-handbag ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi i-Clashback isasekhona na ayisekho i-avance akudala ihambile hey kushuthi ngafika ebantwini labantu othazo hayikha nabo sengikhala ngithatha i-handbag ngiyethulula ukuthi izinto ziphume ngibona ukuthi imali okwenzakalana I don't understand so ngesikhathi mangisakhala abantu bayeza bazongibuza yini isisi hayi senalahlekelwe imali kwathi nithini kwama iquantum yeah iquantum lelana udriver uyi-1 udriver uthi kimi kwenzakalani bamchazela ayi sisi ulahlekelwe imali imoto yakhona ishone kanje Shoprite uthi okay ngena emotweni sisi taxi driver A1 ngene emotweni sisi ngizama ukukusiza sizoyilanda le moto ngiyazi ukuthi sizoyithola kuphi okay sengiqoqa izinto zami bayangisiza abanye lapha siyabisela ebhekini ngingena equantum mangena uquantum udriver wangibingelela bengikhala ngihlele eFront City kuye lapha yana like uthi kwenzakalani ngiyamchazela ngiyakhala athi are you sure ukuthi imoto le ihambe kanje ngithi yes ihambe kanje athi okay so ithola like athi kimi so kahle ubuze kubani la ngithana bengize kumalume like ubekathi uyagula so bengizombona so wasokhe ngiseze ukuthi ngilahle imali athi kimi okay so ulahlekelwe imali ifoni sasenayo ngithi kanti yena ufuna ukubona ukuthi ehandbagini la ngiphetheni ya so athi keep ifoni yakho sama ukufonela umalume akho I don't know ukuthi bethi simfonele ukuthini lami bese ngiconfused yabo so ngikhipha ifoni lona angisayivali nehandbag like ngiyakhala uthi letha lana ngidayela inamba uyazazi ngekhaya like ngiyamnikeza konke nje like sengimthembile yabo kusho ukuthi hayi uyabona ukuthi okay lapha ukuhamba so ngalesikhathi iquantum yahamba kusebusuku I think yahamba maybe 1 hour ngaze ngasho ukuthi no sesihambe kakhulu wayesengajiki because bese siku Dusty Road
okay
wayesengajiki sibuyele emuva because right now ngiyabona ukuthi angeke sayilithola le moto athi khululeke imoto le ise deep sloot so ngiyazi ukuthi izopaka kuphi kwathi ngithi no sesihambe kakhulu ngono siji ansakhala sengiyabona ukuthi la something is wrong athi so bekunenye i-Dust Road i-Dust Road la ingathi siphuma kule ebiyimeni besihamba ngayo mayiphuma uyadriver ke sengathi udriver slow uyaslow ene mangibheka phambili ngiyabona ukuthi umgwaqo lo esihamba ngawo phambili is closed akusekho umgwaqo izihlahla like kusebusuku ke lapho ngesikhathi So athi kimi so mangihlela phaya angithi bengise front seat ngize sengithinta ngento ebandayo la like kusho ukuthi angazi ukuthi ukhiphe ngoba nomenzi ufihambisana so athi wena iphi imali khipha imali
Hawu.
Sengithi ukuthi ngapha yini le bandayo ngithi no imali because uyazi silandela imali la so anginamali anginalutho silanda imali anginazi cent even ukuthi ngizothini yo umuntu wahlwatshintsha wase wena ucanga uyadlala la washiya ilona iside lakhe ngapha weza kimi like angithi bengihleli ngibheke kanje naye so ama ejambela ngapha wangiphusha ukuthi yabo
Oh, okay.
ngilale kanje then obviously ngizo shifta ngizo thena ngibheke this side athi ucanga ukuthi uyadlala la hey iphi imali ngithi anginayo so angisakwazi like ngisawuthi ngizoscreama uzondlimaza like
Isemgaqweni ngaleso sikhathi.
Leyo umgwaqo lo othi close ovaliwe so sasifikile lapho
Dead end galo.
Isihlahla nje akubonakali yonke into bezombulala yazi ubezoyenza into ayifunayo qeda ngibulala so manje ngitshela ukuthi anginayo imali what athi cha ngithi uyadlala qeda lapho wangipush waphakamisa inyawo bengigqoke ama pushing like mibaka njengasilapha ya so it was easy ukuthi aphume ezinyaweni zami like ma eqedwa ezukuthi asewele elona lapha angilalisa ke kahle lona emasithini lapha ya then irweri yaqala kanjalo because nami bengisaba ukuthi
Ubugqokeni
bengigqoke i2 piece yes it was yes iskate nje ya bekuyi2 piece but yona ibingalandela umzimba ibiyeka umzimba nje kuhlonipheka ngibe ngiyokubona umalume bekumele ngigqoke nje ngihlonipheke so kwaba easy ukuthi ayenze yonke into ayifuna kusho ukuthi iskate was full of form yabo then after that kusho ukuthi bengizama ukuthi ngingavumi wangiscratcha ngomenze la so ngabo namanje sasenemakhi ngabona ukuthi la kusho ukuthi uzogcina ngibulala ithi njani ngiyenze ngivume into afuna ukuyenza maybe uzongishiya ngiphila I don't know yazini bese ngithi ngona yenze yonke into afuna ukuyenza or uzovubulala whatever it's fine because I can see rough saying scratch already ngomenze so there's nothing I can do he can do whatever he wanted to then I was like okay fine then he did it after that
Take your time. Askis, Tish. Askis, take your time, Askis. Yo. Seriously.
After that wangiphushela ngaphandle kwequantum zange ngithola isikhathi ukuthi ngithathe lokhu selebheki ngigqoke izicathulo whatever because ebhekini lapha besokusele ifoni nani into zokugcobisa because bengomalume bengithi uyabona
in case uyolala lapha
yes so kusho ukuthi akazange nikeze chance yokuthi ngigqoke izicathulo ngithathe nebhegi or something so kusho ukuthi manje qeda lapha wangiphushela ngaphandle wangilahla wangiphosela ngaphandle kwequantum wangishiya kanjalo so mangithi ibhegi sho yahamba iquantum yazi ngespeed lesazi ukuthi washiya kune dust ngisele dust ngingaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani ngayibona isile ama-lights ukuthi yiyo leya so ngasala ngi-stage like bengicabanga ukuthi maybe uzobuya maybe uzocanda ngizohamba ngireport imoto or something maybe mayebuya la uzongidubula or uyabo ngisesigangeni ngalesikhathi bese ngihamba amanyawo izicathulo konke kusele lapha uhambe nakho konke yonke into ebilapha it was brand new yazi beku-22 December yonke into bengiyenzela ukuthi first eve nami ngifana nabanye abantwana yabona so wahamba ke kanjalo after that bekune ilight nje belikhanya nje some distance nyana ukuthi ngithole ihelp sengihamba amanyawo ansenandaba noma kunameva noma kunani ngahamba mangifika lapha yana ngafika ngashaya igate strong because indawo yakhona angazi bekuyini because bekunama-security, indlu yama-security nje khona lapho. So because it's like ngafika ngazilahlela egedini la. So ama-security aphuma ethukile ukuthi umbani lo kwenzakalani yabo. So maye phuma ama-security lawayana bambuza ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Kokomoya. Excuse.
So maye phuma ama-security kimi ambuza ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngabachazela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Bangibuza ukuthi iphi i-quantum yakhona ngathi selihambile. Kodwa okay wena uhlala kuphi? Le ndawo yakhona bengayazi ukuthi kuthiwa kuphi laphayana Olivini komalume. So kusho ukuthi after that ama-security athi okay ihlala khona. Azange angivulele igate. Angilindisa ngaphandle and bengiphenika ngithi what if lo muntu ajike? Athola ukuthi manje sengibhizi ngizama ukureportana naye. Obvious vele bengizotshela abantu ukuthi kwenzakeleni. Yabo. So okay fine lo muntu abambizayo umuntu kushuthi angazi bayamazi oyenza ama-local. So weza lo baba bese ngizesaba any local like sezesaba nje into okuthiwa yindoda that time ukuthi manje somele ukuthi nihlale phansi next to sikhulume sixoxe. So mayifikile le moto abayibizayo kushuthi babalana wafika wapaka egate naye akazange angene. Wangibiza mayengibiza like bengine-trauma. I was so traumatized like okay fine. What if ngisonde next to this man aphinde futhi yabo and futhi ama-security lawa athi nguye umuntu ozongisiza kanjani. So it was a lot ukuthi maybe nawe uzofuna ukuthi ngihambe naye endlini yakhe siyolala yazini bengazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Like bengathi ngiyaphupha nje. So okay fine finally ngasondela ku-Avansa la. Athi hayi ngena mntanami isitori zakho sengisizwile lapha. Yeah, beungubaba nje ubaba omdala. Then-ke wangibuza ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngibuze eCresta or epolice station or komalumakho. Wathi kumele ukuthi ngichoose. Manje eCresta from Olivine to Cresta it's very far. So epolice station okay. Bengifuna ukuthi siye epolice station but
Uyofika uthi ubani?
number plate anginayo. Kuzoba difficult nje ngathi okay ngicela ukuthi ungise ubani komalume so that ngizofika phansi ngihlale nabo phansi ngibachazele sokwenzakeleni mhlambe bazokwazi ukungitshela ukuthi kumele senzeni after that next step. Hayi-ke sadinga sazama ukunavigate kusebusuku nami indawo lebe okuyi-first time ukuthi ngifike kuleyo ndawo so saze sayithola ekugcineni indawo yakhona then umalume bafika. So abomalume cabanga ukuthi bekuwumuntu othe uyagula. Shuthi ngafika lapha past 12 midnight ngi-22 December. Ubhizi uyaphuza bayesejiva kakhulu. Shuthi bezitshela ukuthi sengihambile. Kahle kahle I think ubefuna ish. So-ke kushuthi hayi.
And then mawufike kamalume
yes, wavulela igate. Mayevula igate lo baba lo ongilethile la wamchazela istory because mina bengikhala nje bengikhala. Amchazela ukuthi hayi sizoletha umntwana simdobhile kuphi and simdobhile kanje sokwenzakala so mina ngimsizile nje ngicele ngamanye ama-security because yibo bangifoneleyo ukuthi ngizosiza. So ngisizile angifuneli ukuthi ngibhadalile ukuthi ngizonikeza umntana kuphela. So ubaba loyana wase mina ngazi lapha ukuthi kwenzakalani like serious because wangena emotweni like ube sephumele ngaphandle ukuthi akhulumisane nobani nomalumami. Wabuyela emotweni wathi watshela umalume ukuthi hayi if ukuthi mhlambe nami ngizofunakala epolice station nani wakhipha iphepha elimhlophe white. Angazi noma ebhala or bekusenzakalani lapha I don't know. Mina into engayibona yenza ngabona inikeza umalume iphepha eli-white kusebusuku. Athi nazi inamba zami ukuthi ngizohamba epolice station liyo reporter le case. Inamba zami nazi ma ukuthi ngizofunakala nami. After that hayi wathi wavalelisa wahamba sangena-ke ejaradini labo umalume. Ngafika-ke laphayana ngiyabachazela isitori ukuthi kwenzakeleni. Bebetakiwe nje laba bantu. So bekuhlala ama-tenants woda nje endaweni leyana. Babizana umalume wababizwa batshela udaba lwakhona bahlala phansi bazama ukungibuzisisa. Abanye bebelieve abanye bengabelieve bethi mina kusho ukuthi ngisuke laphayana komalume kusho ukuthi ngase ngithola i-boyfriend ngaya e-boyfriendini so i-boyfriend le yiyo yenze konke lokho. Yabo. So I was like, okay, fine. If ningafuni ukungibelieve, it's fine. Or else ngahamba ne-police station ngiyo-reporta this case. Because ngalahlekelwa izinto eziningi sithanda sami eziningi. Eziningi.
And then what
namanje lokho. Ay nje usalala ekseni bavuka beza la ama-neighbors amanye ama-tenants abawatshela udaba lwami izolo. Mabefika laphayana wafika loyana ubaba wathi sicela ukuthi wena ntombazana usichazele kahle step by step ukuthi kwenzakeleni indaba yakho ukuthi kuze kufike isikhathi sokuthi kujele. Hayi ngayibeka step by step ngaze ngasho ukuthi hayi so kunomuntu engize naye lana izolo what is it Avanza unikeze umalume inamba ukuthi if kuzobe emaphoyiseni naye maye kumele ukuthi abe involved nansi inamba somthola is lo babe bengikhuluma naye athi etshela umalume athi yebo bani letha ke phela inamba le sizibone ngoba indaba le vele kumele ukuthi sihambe e-police station siyoyireport. Umalume wakhipha iphepha eli-white uyabona ukuthi white la akuna even u-0 or u-1 wathi khona naye ilona iphepha elinikeze ngilona udriver bonke balibheka babheka bathi manje inamba zikuphi la ngoba manje sifuna inamba ukuthi simfonele akuna namba but izolo uthe ephuma la emotweni ekhupha le phepha leli wena sengathi umuntu obhalayo yabo so nami ngathemba vele ngasho ukuthi kusho ukuthi uyamnikeza ama-numbers so that kusasa mase e-police station even mabe ngathi sihambene ebusuku bazobe bedakiwe. Uyabona-ke ngalahlekela into eziningi namanje ezinye angikakwazi nokuthi ngizi-replace yazi. It's a lot and ezinye ngeke ngizikhulume it's useless ngase ngizikhulume so
manje uzizwa kanjani after yonke lento le yayenzeka?
It's painful because mina ngizange ngithole
i-closure.
No,
justice.
No, what is it? Consulter. Maybe something they did.
Counseling?
Counseling, yes, love.
You feel you need it?
Yes, I still need it. Because there's a lot.
Okay.
I need it. So from there, today, I feel like it's a shame, embarrassment or what, I don't know. But I didn't tell anybody.
So you feel ashamed about it?
Yeah, because right now, because abantu bayangazi and then now, sengiyaphuma lana ngibhizi ngikhuluma ngendaba zabo yabo.
Iyenzeka ke. Kunabantu abakhohlakele emhlabeni. So ungafeel ngathi abantu bazokujaja ngento eyenzeke kuwe ebed.
Because what I can say mina ngifuna nje counseling into ezinjalo. Maybe ngaba ne-peace nyana or something. Because udala ngigcinile from 2019 to now it's 2025. We're going to 2026. Angaze ngixoxele umuntu le ndawana le. Kwazibona bomalume ngoba nawe bese betshele ngilo muntu ongilethe. Otherwise ube bengazange ngidibana lo muntu benginamba ezozithulela.
Okay.
Because from there nabo sebehave ngenye nje i-behavior enga-understand.
Ngiyaxolisa Chonisa lento ogumshethu yona. Is there any advice you'd like to give a young girl that also got built uyasaba ukukhuluma because isaba ukujajwa naye?
No, I can say is when you promise ukuthi ngizothola i-counseling. I can say ukuthi to them, labo they must speak out so that they can have i-counseling as our health. Yeah. Because if you hide, into la izokudla ngaphakathi. Strong.
So uzizwa kanjani manje after talking about it?
I feel better, but on the screens, oh my God, people bazobe sebengikhomba ukuthi hayi uye loya.
Angeke bakhombe nje.
I feel like it's a shame. Like it is a shame. You know, sometimes, okay, fine. Let's say abanye abantu bayakwazi ne. After hearing the story, abanye bese abasakuphathi like if value liyabe bekunikeza
tositshela yona,
yona.
Tjhu.
So sebeku undermine, like, you know, yeah.
Don't tell yourself that. Ne? Get it out of you. You got your closure, you got your peace. At least you spoke about it. You were strong enough to talk about it today.
Yeah.
People are very supportive.
Yeah, basic support. Don't feel like they're going to judge you. They won't judge you, trust me. Because a lot of people go through this, but they don't know how to get help. At least when you're brave enough
I
to say,
think
I
the
need
way,
help.
yes, the way to have help is to speak out then. Yeah.
You'll be surprised. And also, yeah, please, the opportunity to actually promote yourself. What are you doing now?
Yeah.
If maybe those who can support you via counseling, maybe
But
support you
business-wise.
business-wise, on that camera or budget.
Okay, like batshela ngithini Nkosi yami?
Wenzani? Angithi uthi usebenza esaluni.
Okay,
Uphila ngani?
alright.
Usebenzela kuphi? Singakuthola kanjani?
Okay. Oh, Nkosi yami. Indaba ezibuhlungu azipheli Nkosi yami. So, mina ngitholakala eWestgate. Ngisebenzela eWestgate. More igama lesalon. Ngeke ngiqambe because so ngisebenzela eWestgate entrance 5. So ngicela ukuthi abanye abantu nabo asebeke badibana nale situation efana neyami. Guys, let's speak out so that we can have help. There is nothing much I can say.
Okay, and then uspecialize ngani? Wenza inwele,
Ngenza inwele mina. Ngiyaqina, ngiyainstalla, ngiyastyla ama-installations, yeah. Ngenza inwele.
Okay, guys, y'all heard it. She's the masterpiece hairdresser. Please do support her business. Entrance 5 yako Westgate akere, guys. This is it for today's show. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment le njotsa gore ke le bomathos. Ke le rata gampele na. Oh, le phela modiadia. Wa gopola, toto ke tsana le bana kaofela. Today mara ke show ke tsana le phela. Okay, guys, ke le rata akere. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.